Hey everyone, welcome back to App Mentor. In this video, let me show you how to turn on eye tracking on your iPhone or iPad after updating it to iOS 18. To enable it, just follow these steps. First, we have to open your settings on your iPhone or iPad. Scroll down and tap on General. Then tap on Software Update. Ensure you are using the latest version of iOS. If not, update your device to the latest version. After updating, open Settings again and scroll down to find Accessibility. Tap on Accessibility and scroll down to find the eye tracking option. Unfortunately, eye tracking is only available on iPhone 12 or later models. If you're using an older model like the iPhone XS, this feature won't be available. If this video was helpful, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for tuning in.